Closer. You know what? No, we'll stay here. But I point the camera towards the gate in case we get a gate runner. Okay? There we go. My mom doesn't want to be filmed, so we'll put it like this. Train's coming. Here it comes. Let me get the gate real quick. Here it comes. I'm doing the best I can here. See if there's a gate running. After this, there goes the gates. Live stream, cool. Goes Emmett, Michigan. Cool. I'm gonna stop the live stream in a minute until we get another train lined up. So, cause it's been 32 minutes on this live stream. So, here we go.